Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a DoorDash gift card. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you were gifted a DoorDash gift card. How do you actually go ahead about redeeming it? Now, first things first, let's go ahead and open up DoorDash. Next, click on Me on the bottom right-hand corner, then click on Settings. Now, from here, we're going to go ahead and click on Gift Card. Now, on the upper right-hand corner, you want to go ahead and click on Redeem. And then this is where you're going to enter your gift card PIN. So you can either paste or type in your PIN here. And so I'm going to go ahead and type in the PIN here. So once you've typed in the PIN here, as you can see is blurred out, we're going to click on Redeem to your account. And there you have it. You've now gone ahead and redeemed your gift card successfully. And $50 has been added to our DoorDash credits. And it will automatically be applied to my next order. So there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and redeem a gift card on DoorDash. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.